So we're here in China at the factory that we bought most of our machine and tractors. So these are the mini excavators that they have currently in stock from different sizes that you guys need, from 1 ton, 2 ton, 3 ton, 3.5 ton. So I believe this would be the 3 tons, the 3.5 tons. Amanda, these are
Yeah,
what
this one is 3.5.
3.5 tons, right? Yeah, these are the 3.5 tons with the front blade, the rubber tracks, control room, full cabin. These are also 3.5 ton, but these are metal tracks. Metal tracks and rubber tracks. You have different track systems that you want to choose. You can choose that as well. From small loaders to all the way down to the biggest loaders, and the biggest one is all the way back there.